Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I can't have the box open all the way because it has our addresses on there. But this is the June box from Lacatrinanails, Texas. So I'm just gonna open it here. And just take this. Okay, this is the packing slip, but she had something attached to it. So yes, I did just order the monthly box. Now you can't open it until the 20th. This is a few days before the 20th, 3 days before. But I wanted to at least get it unboxed while I have a chance right now, and then I won't post it till after the 20th. So, oh, she sent some more pegs for the little stands. It says these pegs are stronger. The magenta one is made out of PETG, which is pretty strong monocut. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry you guys, this light is just getting ridiculous. I have to take it apart again. So yes, because mine had broke one, but I had glued it and it was fine, but I appreciate her doing that. Thank you so much. So it's the little skull little nail stands. So the little card here, thank you Sondra, your support means the world to me, Lacatrinanails, Texas. And then I did use code Cindy10. So let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to use a different ambassador's code every order because you get a different little treat in there. Oh, this is beautiful bottle. Oh my gosh, what is this? Massage oil. Oh, look at this. Lunar Serenity. Relax, Nourish, Glow. Shimmer Massage Oil. Look at this bottle. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that glitter in there. I gotta smell it. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to record with this because like I said, my light, or we might have to do it a little bit yellow. I'm sorry, but yeah, I have to take this light apart. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. So yes, we're not supposed to open it until June 20th, or you know, not post it or whatever, no spoilers. So I'm excited to see what's in here. Oh yay, the Hot Girl Summer. Oh, this is a beautiful card so this is for June 2026. Hot Girl Summer Chapter 3. Yes, I have Chapter 1 and 2. Mystery Gel Polish, Foil Flakes and Abalone Shells, Seashell Flakes, Cuticle Nipper Cover, Elastic Sweet Brush, 3D Printed Soda Can Opener, and 3 pairs of gloves. Cool. Look at these stickers. Tan Lines and Bad Decisions. That's funny. OMG, who put that curb there? Oh, I love it. These are super cool. Hello, June. I always love the stickers. And so, yes, we get the 3 pairs of gloves. I need to wear her gloves. They're so pretty. I'm like, I don't want to wear them. But yes, I need to wear. And she asked us what our favorite color was. So, yes, of course, I picked purple. And they're the pearly. Oh, yeah, these are so pretty. Pearly gloves, look it. Oh, I love it. Yes, I have to keep these out so I see them. I have them in my drawer here. They're so cool. I love that she puts gloves in there. Gotta be safe. This is a Cuticle Nipper cover. How cute. I actually needed one of these. I had some of the cat paws, but I don't know if I lost one. That is cute. So yes, I actually do need these for my... Yay, how cute. Oh, this is so, oh my gosh. So this is a soda can opener. That is so cool, and it's a polished bottle. Oh my gosh. Oh, I see. That is, look, it says Lacatrinanails, Texas. And yes, it has the opening there that you can put it on, you know, put the little tab in there and open it. Oh my gosh, how cool. That is super cool. And then we get, oh yes, the flakes and then the little shells. I need to use these shells. They are so pretty. So we get the foil. I'm not going to open it. You can see it really good through that side. Purple, black, and like the rose gold. Or like a gold, yeah, rose gold. And then we get, look at these purple, like the black, and then the seashells like to match. How cool. Love it. Alright, so these are the polishes. So let's take a look at the mystery gel polish. You know, let me zoom out. I feel like I'm like way close. I'm afraid now with my light being yellow. Sour Punch glow temperature gel polish. So it must glow with like the heat then, or oh god, the peaches. I love my peaches. Look at this, how cool. All right, and then we have the Hot Girl Summer Chapter 3 Bad Decisions. This is thermal cat eye polishes, and so these match the stickers, the names. How cool. So we have, ooh, that one's pretty. So we have Tan Lines and Bad Decisions. It's, oh, it's so pretty. It's, oh my gosh, is it like a sage? A sagey color, but it's a cat eye. Let me get my little magnet. That is so pretty. I love it. Look at that. How pretty. Super pretty. And then we have OMG who put that curb there. That's so cool. So this is like, it's like a silvery bluish color to me. Look how pretty. Yeah, it's like a silvery blue. It's really pretty. That is gorgeous. Yes, I cannot wait to swatch those and see the color thermal change. So yes, and this one too, the glow. So excited. So yes, I'm gonna get a few things ready and then I'll be back. You know, I'm probably gonna look at my light because I don't like how yellow the light is. All right, so before we do the swatches, I just want to show I did my natural nails and I used a cat eye from the Nails by Gabby, her cat eye collection. Oh my gosh, Amethyst Dreams. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So now we're going to swatch Sour Punch. This is the thermal glow in the dark. And so I'm just mixing it just a little bit, just rolling it around because it does have the glow pigments, you know, in it. So sometimes they tend to settle and stuff. So just wanted to roll that in my palm, just kind of mix it around. And then this is the OMG, I think this is the OMG who put that curb there. Sorry, it was hard, it's hard to read because on my, you know, editing, it's kind of small. But it's just so pretty. These colors are so pretty, and wait till you see the thermal change. I'm just going to do one coat, didn't activate it or anything. And this is the other one, the Tan Lines and Bad Decisions. That beautiful, it's kind of like a sagey green. This is going to be pretty for fall, I think. Like transitioning into fall, I think this is the perfect color for that. And so I'm just doing the second coat of the Sour Punch. I am loving these like peachy corally colors, absolutely beautiful. So there was a brush in there. I totally, lucky thing I didn't throw it away, throw the box away, because it was in the tissue paper. I didn't open the tissue paper all the way. And I saw it in there. This brush is so cool. It looks like an ombre brush, but it's got the short little bristles at the end. I'm so excited to try that out. Such a cool brush. So this is the second coat, and this is where I'm going to activate the cat eye. Look at that, how pretty. I love these like velvety, I guess they're kind of like moonlight, they're called. Oh, it's so pretty. I could just sit there and play with them forever, but I didn't want the video to be too long. But look at, oh my gosh, so pretty. I love it. And then that green, like I said, this is perfect for transitioning to from summer into fall. I think it's just such a beautiful color. It's not too dark yet, and it's not like a bright, so I think that's going to be really pretty. And it's just so pretty. Yeah, I wish I would have held the swatch a little bit angled up more so you could really see it. But yes, we're going to go ahead and test now. The thermal, we're doing it, I'm sorry, the warm is kind of hidden away. I use those shot glasses because I was like, well, they work perfectly. They're perfect size. So, of course, it's the blue when it's cold.
And then the warm, it just comes out, I'm sorry, I'm like, yeah, comes out like a little bit lighter, almost like the green color to me. That's what it kind of looked like. So I'm just going to show again in the cold. It's that, you know, blue, and then I'm going to show the green. I'll show them like together too. So yes, you get that green, and then when you go into the warm, it changes really light. I just think that's cool. I've never had color changing cat eyes, so these have been so fun, and I can't wait to wear them. So yes, look how bright in the cold, and then when you do it in the warm, you know, like when you're out in the sun, it's gonna be lighter, which I think is just so cool to have color changing. It's so fun. So the Sour Punch says it's thermal glow in the dark, so it does change color. You know, with thermal, hot and cold. See, when it's cold, when it's warm, it turns almost like a white. I was just seeing like, oh, is it glowing like with the color? But of course you have to have some light to it. And then look at that glow. Oh my gosh, so cool. So this is everything in the box. I am loving the boxes. The cuticle oil, I've been using it. Look at the bottle, how beautiful. I absolutely love it. The little can opener there works, like I said, to open the little soda cans. Got my gloves. I love the little cover for the nippers. So yes, this is the one that came in last month, the Corazon de Melon. I have that on my toes. It is so pretty. It's glow in the dark at night. It looks so cool. When my toes grow out, I'm using it again for the whole summer because I absolutely love that color. Yes, pick up the boxes. They're so amazing. I know they sell out fast. I'm going to leave everything linked down below. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.